Title 42, a COVID-era immigration policy expiring in just a few hours from right now. The big question is, how will it affect you and me? KETK's Ashlyn Anderson right now live in studio to explain. So Ashlyn, what should we be expecting by this time tomorrow night?
Well, Neil, for the past 3 years, immigrants were not able to come into the U.S. protecting public health during the pandemic. But now processing will begin tomorrow.
Here in East Texas, I mean, we're a God-fearing community. You know, we should be the type of community. I fear God, I don't fear immigrants.
Title 42 is set to expire Thursday, May 11th. Already thousands of migrants are lining up at the border at a chance to be processed in.
What's going to come back into place is basically the laws that were in place before the COVID-19 Title 42.
Immigration attorney Belinda Arroyo says there's a huge misconception from both sides of the border.
I think people in the United States believe that the ending of Title 42 means we have open borders, which is not true.
Let me be clear. The lifting of the Title 42 public health order does not mean our border is open. In fact, it is the contrary.
Many question, how will East Texans be affected? Arroyo says she doesn't think our communities will be affected much now or in the future.
I think we're far enough from the border that we're not going to see any true effects of anything going on at the border.
She acknowledges an increase in illegal immigration in the past few years and some of the crimes committed.
There are so many victims of this crime who are taking pills that are completely unaware that fentanyl is laced onto those pills by Mexican drug cartels.
Maybe a small portion of them may be doing those things and are doing those things, just like many of our people in our community are doing those things. A lot of them are also doing really great things in our communities.
But encourages the East Texas community to look beyond the issues.
We as a community in East Texas have the opportunity to have conversations, not just with our law enforcement, but more with our congressmen and say, what are you doing? How are you coming to the table?
Border Patrol says up to 11,000 migrants are waiting to cross the border as soon as Title 42 is lifted. And from there, they will spread north. In studio, Ashlyn Anderson, KETK News.